In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to merge PDF files without losing bookmarks in Adobe Acrobat Pro. If you rely on bookmarks to navigate long documents, you don't want to lose them when you merge files. Here's a clear way to combine your PDFs while preserving those clickable table of contents entries. Start by launching Adobe Acrobat on your device. Once Acrobat is open the PDF you're already working with, or any one of the PDFs you plan to merge. This simply gets you into the editing environment and makes the tools easy to access. Next, look to the left side of the screen for the global sidebar and choose All Tools. From that catalog of features, select Combine Files. This opens the dedicated Merge workspace where you can gather and organize everything before creating a single PDF. Before adding documents, check the settings so bookmarks are carried over. Open the settings in this workspace and make sure the option labeled Always Add Bookmarks to Adobe PDF is checked. Also confirm that Save as PDF Portfolio is unchecked. Portfolios package files together but keep them separate internally, which means you won't get one continuous document and your bookmarks won't behave as expected. Click OK to confirm your choices. Now add the PDFs you want to merge. Click the blue Add Files button to browse to your documents, or simply drag and drop multiple PDFs into the window. You can pull in as many as you need, such as chapters, reports, or appendices. With your files loaded, arrange them into the right reading order. Drag and drop the thumbnails until they match the sequence you want your readers to follow. This order determines where each file's pages and bookmarks will appear in the final combined PDF. When everything looks correct, click the Combine button in the top right corner. Acrobat will process the files and build a single document, preserving bookmarks based on each source PDF. To finish, go to File, choose Save As, pick your target folder, enter a clear new file name, and click Save. Using Save As creates a fresh merged file while leaving your originals untouched. That's it. You've merged your PDFs without losing bookmarks, keeping navigation intact for you and your readers. If your source files already contained organized bookmarks, they'll transfer over cleanly and appear in the combined document exactly in the order you set.